Hello viewers, myself Sahil Majumdar on behalf of Science Academia. This is just a small lesson of atomic structure part 1 which is about spectra. So first we have to know that what is spectra. When we heat a metal surface over a certain point or over a certain range of temperature, we are heating over a certain range of temperature, it releases a specific amount of light or it releases spectra. The spectra is released by a form of wave. Basically, the spectra is a series of light or a series or a line of light. So we can describe as line spectra. Now we have to know lot more about spectra, that each and every line spectra, it has a particular range of wavelength and a particular range of frequency. If we place a line spectra, we can say that it can be look like a scale, or it can be look like a spectral scale, and it has a particular range of frequency or particular range of wavelength. Like the wavelength for visible ray is 400 to 700 nanometer. So basically in 1885, as this is a visible ray, it was firstly discovered by Balmer. Later, the one of the series which is named after the scientist Balmer of atomic hydrogen, we will further study it. So now, as we have said that there is a particular frequency or particular wavelength for a series or a line spectra, so it can be presented by an equation, that is nu bar or the wave number equal to 1 by lambda Rz 1 by n2 square minus 1 by n1 square. So firstly we have to know that what is Rz. Rz is the Rydberg constant that has a value of 1.09678 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter inverse. And you know that nu bar is the wave number and lambda is the wavelength. So this is basically the equation by which we can express a line spectra. So now we have to know that what is N2 and N1. N2 is the lower energy orbit or the lower energy level, and N1 is the higher energy level. Now, what does the N1 and N2 significant for? Basically, when an electron jumps from higher energy to lower energy orbit or lower energy level, it releases a specific value or specific amount of light which is just quite respective with a particular range of wavelength, that is spectra. So that is when electron is coming from higher orbit to a lower orbit, it can release a spectra. We can ascertain the higher orbit or higher energy level as N1 and lower energy level, or we can say the final energy level, that is electron coming from, or that is electron making the final transition, is ascertained as N2. Now, on the basis of N1 and N2, we can give a particular table for atomic hydrogen or spectral series for atomic hydrogen. So basically they are Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket and phone. These are the 5 types of ray or 5 types of spectral series. We can make a table for N2, N1 and the type of ray it is released. For Lyman, the final or the lower energy level will be 1 and the initial should be more than 1, as we cannot accept equal to 1 or there is no value below 1, because the value of mu bar will be negative or 0. We cannot accept that value. So the N1 or the lower energy or the higher energy orbit should have the greater number than N2, that is 2, 3, 4 or etc. For Balmer, N2 is 2 and N1 is 3, 4 and so on. For Paschen, this is 3 and quite naturally this is 4, 5. For bracket, this is 4, this is 5, 6. For Phun, N2 is 5 and N1 is 6, 7, 8 and so on. So now this is a spectral table for atomic hydrogen. So we can give a particular type or particular name for this table, that is Lyman is basically UV ray. It stands for ultraviolet ray. For Balmer, it was firstly discovered by the scientist Balmer. It was named after it and it is the visible ray. And what about Paschen? It is the near IR or near infrared. The next is bracket, which is just equal to infrared level. And the final font is far infrared. So this is just a list or this is just a spectral line, as we can expect the value from the Lyman, Balmer and this kind of series. So this is basically the atomic spectra or spectral line for atomic hydrogen that was discovered previously. So now on we will describe further more part like how to calculate the radius, how to calculate the spectra value, how to calculate the wavelength for the next class. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.